Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So in this video, I'm talking about Kishu inu price prediction update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur? What will be the next move of Kishu? What's changes occurring in a Kishu? Let me show you these all things in this short video, guys. But before starting this video, guys, you have to subscribe our channel for more latest news and update videos. Let's start the video, guys. First of all, I recommend for all of you that if you have any plan to invest in a cryptocurrency, so don't wait more. Just right now, buy now, Kishu inu token, guys, or any coin you like, any coin, buy now, but now. I said you now, buy now. Because today, guys, on 19th December, from 19th December, every coin start positive changes, guys. Every coin start positive changes, guys. So every coin you're holding, you want to buy. So I'm sure about that. I believe, guys, that every coin is profitable for all of you if you hold for the last of December month, because it is the last of December. It is the last month of 2021, guys. So I believe, guys, that every coin will give you a gift in the last of this year, guys. That is the Happy New Year gift, guys. Just buy now and hold for a long time, guys. If you talk about the Kishu inu price update, guys, so 1.60% the price pumps in the last 24 hours, which is very good for all of you guys, especially for all investor of Kishu inu holders, guys. So Kishu are now start pumping, guys. Just hold. Don't do this mistake and don't decide to sit, guys. That's my opinion. That's my recommendation for all of you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more latest news and update videos.